In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use inventory management with Vlookup in Monday.com. First, sign into your Monday.com account so you're on your main dashboard. From there, open your workspaces on the left. This is where you'll choose exactly where your new inventory board will live, which helps keep things organized if you manage multiple teams or departments. Next, click the plus icon to add something new. When the menu appears, hover over Board to reveal your board creation options. Instead of starting from scratch, select Start with Template. Templates give you a solid structure so you can get up and running quickly without rebuilding columns and views yourself. In the Template Center, switch to All Templates, then browse to the General Templates area. Use the search bar to type Inventory Management. You'll see a dedicated inventory management template designed for tracking stock levels, SKUs, reorder points, and more. Click the Inventory Management option to preview what's included and confirm it fits your needs. When you're ready, click Use Template. Monday.com will add the board to the workspace you selected. This creates a fully structured board with pre-built groups, columns, and sample data you can customize. Now it's time to make your edits. Start by renaming the board and groups to match your categories, like finished goods, raw materials, or accessories. Update the item names and SKUs to your real products. Adjust columns such as quantity, reorder level, and location so they reflect how you track stock day to day. If the template includes supplier or price details, replace the placeholders with your actual information. For a Vlookup style setup, use Monday's connected data approach. Add or refine a Connect Boards column to link this inventory board to a dedicated products or suppliers board. Then mirror the fields you need, such as supplier name, cost, or lead time, so they appear on your inventory board automatically. This mirrors the idea of Vlookup. You reference a key like SKU in one place and pull related details from another source without retyping. You can also use a formula column to calculate values such as quantity times cost for on-hand value, or to flag when quantity drops below the reorder level. Finish by tailoring views and filters to spotlight low stock, items by location, or incoming restocks. Rename columns, hide ones you don't need, and ensure the default view highlights the most important information for your team. With these edits, you'll have a clear, reliable inventory system that pulls the right data into the right place, just like Vlookup, so you can manage stock confidently in Monday.com.